Hey everybody! So we're here today to look at a cute little product for the Jeep. These particular ones are called Ovo cup holder coasters, and there's more to it than that. But they're these cute little inserts that go inside the cup holders and any of the little trays, tray liners, and they have the cute little Jeep logo on it. So adorable. They also come with a little paw print on it, like a puppy paw print, and in some different colors. So, but for Jeep particularly, they have the cute little Jeep logo on it. So we got a set of these. I believe there's 19 of them, and they go everywhere. So they're inside the door. Maybe not the most obvious one, right? And then there's the cup holders. So there's a couple of these. You can see they're getting good use. They've got coffee all over them. So they're keeping the Jeep clean, hopefully, and take these out and wash them off, which I haven't done, but I should do. Even up on the dash, this one's been cut because we installed the camera mount there, but even up on the dash, there it is. So here we are in the back of the Jeep, and same thing in these little tray liners here in the back seat. They have the little Jeep logo on them. Super adorable. It's a fun little thing to add a little personality to your car. I think it's super cool. Okay, so those run about $13 to $16. There are probably other brands as well. And then I did see that they also come for other vehicles. So I looked them up for my SUV, and there's ones with like bedazzled and all kinds of different little designs. So I think that's a super cute idea. Might keep your car a little cleaner. Maybe just easier to pop that out and wash it off rather than trying to get in there and all the nooks and crannies. If you're looking to add a little personality to your car, this could be a fun and inexpensive way to do it. That's it, a quick one, just a fun little item. And no really pros or cons, just kind of is what it is. So check out the link below if you're interested in looking at it. Thank you for watching, bye-bye.